So stop using music that are not from YouTube audio library because hey, you don't know what you are doing yourself. By the time that creator or the owner of that music will just open up his channel like this and say, boom, I'm giving everybody copyright for using my music. Oh my, the YouTube audio library is a place where YouTube has provided for content creators on YouTube, like YouTubers. Is a place for you to get free music that you can use for your videos. And I will also advise that if you have been using music from your editing app, I would advise you stop using music from your editing app. Hi guys, hello BG lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Believe George Vlogs, a Nigerian based YouTuber. You're highly welcome to my channel. On this channel I do personal vlog, lifestyle, tutorial, YouTube tips and growth. Please do it to subscribe, like, comment and share. So welcome back to another tutorial video. On this tutorial today, I'm going to teach you how you can download music from the YouTube audio library. Okay, YouTube audio library is a place where YouTube has provided for content creators on YouTube, like YouTubers. Is a place for you to get free music that you can use for your videos. All the music on YouTube audio library are non-copyrighted music. They don't have copyright. Even if you use it on your videos, you are not going to get copyright. But you see those music that we get from our editing app that we use on our videos, they are copyrighted, and that is why when you use it on your video, before you know, or even before the video will finish, like uploading and all of that, you will see that your restriction is showing copyright. That is because the music is copyrighted, and if your channel is monetized, the income you are going to get on that video is going to go to the rightful owner of the music you use. It's going to go to the rightful owner of that music. Imagine like working so hard to film a videos and you edit it, you take out your time to sit down and edit that video, you take out your data to also upload that video on YouTube, and at the end of the day that video is going to get copyright and all your effort is just going to go to one person. Imagine that. You don't want that as a creator, right? Imagine that fear of uploading a video and your heart will be skipping fast, like kick beam, because you are scared if you are going to get copyright on your video, or you are going to just get anything that will just give you restriction. Your heart will be beating fast. Just avoid that. Okay, just save yourself the stress, save yourself the thinking, save yourself the hypertension, and save yourself the time. You can avoid it. So all you need to do is to go to your YouTube audio library to download music. So I'm going to teach you how you can download the music and save it to your editing apps, that whenever you edit your videos, you want to use music. Music is very important in our videos. Yes, you know, there are some parts, like let's say you are cooking, you are cleaning, you are doing some things and you just want to use music. It's very important. And viewers, like the viewers are watching your video and there are some parts that you don't want to talk, you just mute the video and you use music to cover up those parts, and you use music to cover up those parts. It's very interesting. It's very interesting. Your viewers will be watching you and at the same time they are enjoying your music. And I will also advise that if you have been using music from your editing app, I would advise you stop using music from your editing app. Stop using music from your editing apps on your video. Stop getting music randomly, let's say from TikTok or anywhere. Most of those music that you use are copyrighted, and when you use it on your video, you are going to get copyright. Okay, avoid it. Avoid anything that will give you copyright on your channel. That is why YouTube audio library is there. It's there to help you as a content creator. They are there to give you free music that you can use on your channel. It's very simple to download music from YouTube audio library. Initially, when I didn't know this. Let me tell you that I'm one of the victims that before I usually used music from my editing app. I will use the sound, and most of them I don't get copyright. But did you know that fear, like if you don't have copyright now, who knows if in the nearest future you'll be having copyright on those videos. So all I want you to do is to watch this video to the end and give it a thumbs up, like, comment and share. Okay, my name is Believe, and continue watching. Let's dive into the video.
So you guys, this is my phone and I'm going to go to my Chrome browser. I'm going to click on my Chrome browser. This is my Chrome browser. I'll click on my Chrome. So I was already doing something on my YouTube studio. You can see the up is showing studio.youtube.com. So these are my channel content, these are my videos, this is my YouTube studio in my Chrome browser. So these are all my videos here. So the next thing I want to do now is that I will go to all this line that has this the dashboard, the content, analytic, copyright, dollar sign, and this magic touch. I'm going to click on the last button. I'll click on the last button. Let's click on it. This is your music sign. The last one is the YouTube audio library music. This is where you get free music for your videos. Okay, this is where you get free music for your videos. So I'll click on it. I've clicked on it, so it's loading. Here, it is loading. These are music. All these ones you are seeing here, I'm scrolling down for you guys to see. All these ones are music. Any music you want, you click on it, then you download it. So now let me click on this one that they say hot water. Let's click on it. You play it from here. You play it from this side. The play button here, you click on it. It's playing. Okay, I think this one is okay. So when you click on it, you see, you scroll left. Is it right? You scroll right. You scroll right, then you are going to see the place that they write download. Can you see? You can see download here, right? So what you need to do now is that you click on your download. It's going to download. The music is going to download. You can see it's showing on my screen, downloading file. Downloading file. Okay, see notification for download status. Let's click on the details. So it's downloading. So when I click on it, it's going to take me here. I've downloaded this once already, so I want to show you how you can download it to your editing app. Me, I usually use CapCut to edit, so I will download it to my CapCut app. So just hold on for a minute while it loads. So now it's done. I'm going to click on this three button here at the right side. I'll click on it. Then it's going to show me share, rename, and delete. I'm going to click on share. It's loading. So you can share it to any device you want. You can see Bluetooth, CapCut, Drive, Quick Share, GB Messenger, and WhatsApp. I want to share it to CapCut, so I'm going to click on CapCut. It's taking me to CapCut environment. So there's something I want to do right now. These are my videos. I've edited these videos already. So now I want to click on this video because I want to add the sound. I want to show you how you can use the sound. You can export the sound to your videos. So I want to export that sound that I just downloaded from YouTube audio library to my videos. So now you go to your audio. So I'll click on my audio. Then it's going to take me to sound, brand music, copyright, and all of that. I'll click on sound. Then I'm going to sound here. So it's going to take me to my music section. All the sound here are CapCut music. All these ones, most of them are copyright. And if you use it on your video, you are going to get copyright. So that is why it's advisable to use the YouTube audio library free music on your video. So you see this place that has this fire. This click on the second part. Then it's going to take me, you see extracted and device. If you want to extract audio from your video, you would extract it from here, but I don't want that. So now I'm going to click on my device. It's going to search on my device. So these are all the music I've downloaded from YouTube audio library. This is where they are. They are already saved here because I share it to CapCut, so they are already saved here. So this is the new one I just downloaded today. Let's click on the plus sign. So when I click on the plus sign, it has been added to my video. So let's play the music and see. Let me play it. Let's see. So can you hear that now? So this is how you can This is how you can download the music from the YouTube audio library to your editing app, and you are free to go. So this is how you can do it. You download the music from YouTube audio library, you share it to your editing app, and when you want to use it for your videos, you just go to your device and you use your music. As simple as easy, instead of using all the music in your editing app that will be giving you copyright and you'll be having heart attack because of copyright. So just be on the safer side. So that is just it for this video. I hope you find this video entertaining and interesting. I'm going to end it here. So thank you so much guys for watching. Bye. My name is Believe and I sign out. Bye guys.